Good day to you. So yeah, while I had completed the video recording for the Cwicly WooCommerce site, and I reached out to the Cwicly support team to figure out how do you label the site, and so the blocks. And so I wanted to just show you. They've obviously, in one of the new features they've added is they've got their own little navigator. So when I go back to templates and I go to product catalogs, I click on the edit option over here, and you'll notice I've added all my names, and so when you have a look here, you'll see that it's got little tags and stuff on the right. So they've come out with their own Cwicly navigator, and so you click on that, and then you're able to rename your products to whatever you want it to be. And so I just wanted to show that to you. Yeah, like literally it was a few minutes ago, and I had posted, I said I can't seem to double click because it doesn't allow me to double click here, but I can click on here and within this navigator, and I can modify the name, so it helps me organize all the thoughts. And because it's a modal, it's nice that it can just pop up and stay up here, and as you can see, I can adjust it. I can and if I wanted to go to something specific like the favorite icon, it'll show up here. So I don't need to use the WordPress default navigator. Yeah, Cwicly have come out with their own one, and you can rename the blocks according to what you need. So this video is just like an add-on from the previous one. So I've renamed all of them. You can close them modal down, and then you can see that they still appear here, which is quite nice. And it just makes your workflow a lot easier. You're able to find things a lot quicker. So I just wanted to show that in this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy Cwicly as much as I do. Thanks. Goodbye.